Hello everyone! So have you tried to cook a sweet and sour chicken in Chinese style? So this time, ituturuan ko kayo kung paano gawin ang sweet and sour Chinese style chicken. Kasi hindi nila bet yung yung piniprito. So ito. So i-marinate nyo muna yung inyong chicken sa soy sauce, sugar, and corn flour. And then you can add a bit of salt and pepper. Then marinate for 30 minutes. So then you can set aside and then you cut your vegetables. So may capsicum ako dito, green and yellow. And then I add some carrot too. So yung carrot, slice nyo lang siya ng thin slice kasi kapag malaki, mahirap din siya lutuin, matagal. So kasi gagawa kayo ng sweet and sour, dapat hindi matagal. Tapos, and then, you can have your onion. Yung onion nyo, slice nyo din siya ng parang pa-square. Malalaking size. So, parang kung ano yung same size ng capsicum. Ganon din yung gawin nyo sa onion nyo. And then, after that, you can chop your garlic and ginger too. Kasi lalagyan nyo siya ng ginger and garlic. So, napaka-easy lang din naman itong gawin. So, as you can see here, I have carrot, onion, capsicum, and garlic, at saka ginger. So, i-fry nyo first yung inyong chicken. Huwag nyo kayong maglagay ng oil kung gumagamit kayo ng non-stick. Pero kapag hindi kayo gumagamit ng non-stick, you can add some oil. Pero huwag mo sobrang madami. And then, you fry until it like light brown. Tapos luto. Parang half cook siya. Kasi kapag niluto nyo to ng matagal, yung chicken, especially you're using chicken breast, magiging hard siya. So, dapat soft siya. Yung chicken breast kasi hindi siya dapat lutuin ng matagal. So, lutuin nyo siya ng may light brown na yan siya, na hindi na siya yung makakita kayo ng pink. Kasi pag pink pa yan, hindi pa yan luto. So, tapos after that, you fry your garlic and ginger. Add your carrot. So, you can add some water sa carrot kung matagal maluto. Then your sauce is sugar. So I use muscovado sugar. You can use brown sugar. And then you can add water and then tomato sauce and then yung pepper. So after nyo yan ma-fry yung carrot, add nyo yung onion first. Yung red onion. You can use white onion too. And then capsicum. Tapos ilalagay nyo yung sauce na ginawa nyo. Tapos pakuluin siya na maging malapot hanggang maluto yung capsicum at saka yung onion. Tapos add your chicken. Tapos add nyo yung chicken, ayan na. So you can have your sweet and sour chicken. So Chinese style sweet and sour chicken. So thank you for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share if nagustuhan nyo itong video. God bless you and take care always. Please respect each other and be kind always.